Hello there. Do you know that you can be making consistent profit just like you're watching in the video? You learn to predict the right direction of the market at all times. Now, in trading, there are two things that are important: knowing the direction of the market and when to enter, and knowing when to exit and also manage your losses. Now, you get to learn a lot about how you can be able to be making over 30% on a daily basis. Now, I'm having different training. You can enroll for my online training from anywhere. It does not matter where you are, you can learn. But I'm having an upcoming program in Abuja, and it's an on site training. Uh, in the sense that we're going to be having an online pre-training. Then on the 10th of August, we're going to be in Abuja live, whereby we're going to have real trades. We're going to make real life profits, come together and trade. Now I'm inviting you. It's only for 10 people. Already I have 5 people who are ready for the training. Now we need only 5 more people to join us. Sorry, we can't take more than 10. Why? Because it's going to be a one-on-one training whereby you're going to be learning every trick in the book. Now, for this training, you're going to be learning my advanced strategy, which involves you being able to make over 1,000% monthly. Now you will be able to trade with over 3 to 4 trading strategy. Now this is not about learning. You don't Prior information or prior knowledge does not matter. You don't need to know about binary trading or forex trading before. You don't need them. What you actually need is to understand. You need 4 basic requirements. Number one, have a mobile phone with internet access. Number two, you need 1 hour. It can be morning, afternoon, or night, dedicated for the training and trading. Now, you need three: trading capital. You need as much as 50,000 to 100,000, because the target we are looking at is you being able to make over 1 million every month. Yes, 1 million every month. Hey, it is slow and steady. You first learn to make tens of thousands, then you get to 1 million. You first learn 10,000, 100,000, then you get to 1 million. So even if you don't know Jack, this is very possible. We're going to teach you the process of how to make daily and consistent income, just like you see me doing in the video, right? Now, the main other thing you need to understand is this: after you have all the mobile phone, 1 hour, trading capital, you need to enroll for the training. Now it's an online training, but we are privileged to also have a physical training. Now if you are not in Abuja but you still want to participate, yes, there is a slot for online people, which is just 5 people. Now it's online. Instead of you being able to travel down to Abuja from wherever you are, you will be able to participate from wherever you are. You'll be able to participate online. You need 4 hours availability online that you'll be connected. We're going to do the same thing we do on the physical day. We're going to do it online. Now we're going to host this on Zoom. But before this, you have to have registered on or before 6th of August. Why? So that you can be allowed to have a online preparation, whereby we're going to be teaching you the basics of the trading, knowing how the signal works, knowing when to enter, how to trade, how to generate this signal by yourself. I don't give signals. I teach you how to do it yourself. You learn, you practice what you've learned, then you will earn. Now, ask yourself, how come these footballers are always good? They continue to practice and practice and practice, and they become better than what they used to be. Now, what I'm inviting you to come and do is also to become a professional trader. You can start earning over 1 million every month. But hey, guess what? The journey of 1 million starts with earning $100 a day or even $50 a day, and you will be able to achieve that. Now, I'm going to be teaching you all I know about trading that will allow you to be able to make these profits. What you need to do is to enroll. Now, for the sign-up fee, the fee is 50,000 naira. What you don't understand is that the actual price for this training is over 100K. Because you're going to be learning the basic, you're going to be learning the advanced, you're going to be also learning and gaining access into my 1 minute strategy. Also, you're going to be having my 2 months mentorship, direct mentorship, whereby I'm going to be evaluating you, following you up day by day so that you get there. Now, this is happening live in Abuja on the 10th. but you have to register on or before 6th of August. Yes. Now, this is going to be wonderful. Now, it's going to be wonderful. I want you to make plans to attend. Now, if you are not able to attend this, that does not mean you cannot participate. I have an online program, an online training program. It's a video course that will show you step by step what you have to do to know the basic that you will be able to earn over 30% daily. Imagine if you have $100 capital and you can be earning $30 every day. That's what that can get to give you. But you see, these are the elite I'm having, and I want to have a rapport with them whereby I can make you make good money. Oh, forget whatever you're earning right now. If you're earning anything below 150,000 naira, your daily wages is below $20. So I'm asking you, can I teach you how to be making $30, $50 every day? Hey, it starts small. A lot of you, the reason why you're not making money is because you want to hammer big time. I'm not saying come and make all the millions, come and make all the things. I'm saying, can you give us a try? Let's show you and teach you how to make $20, $50. Then you become a millionaire. See you on the inside. God bless you.